Learn how to make money online, $1,000 for free using AI. Are you ready to transform the way you earn money online? With the surge of AI technologies, freelancers have an incredible opportunity to tap into this powerful resource. Discover how you can leverage AI tools to generate a substantial income of $1,000 without any initial cost. Tune in to explore this transformative journey. Did you know that many AI tools are available for free? These digital allies can help streamline your work and open up new possibilities. From AI writing assistants to automation bots, each tool offers unique capabilities to enhance productivity and creativity. We'll guide you through selecting tools that suit your goals and expertise. Once equipped with the right AI tools, it's time to strategize. The key is to diversify your income streams using multiple platforms, each supported by AI efficiency. Freelance marketplaces, content creation avenues, and affiliate marketing are just a few opportunities where AI can significantly boost your performance and earnings. Content is king, and AI is here to crown you the master of content creation. Use AI to brainstorm topics, draft compelling copy, or design outstanding visuals. These tools can fuel your creativity and reduce workload, allowing you to produce high-quality content consistently. Establish yourself as a standout freelancer in competitive arenas through AI-powered content. Your online presence is crucial in attracting clients and opportunities. AI analytics tools are perfect for crafting an effective strategy by understanding audience behaviors and optimizing your engagement. Enhance your visibility and engagement across social media and professional networks, driven by insights and AI-generated content strategies. Time is money, and AI excels at handling routine, time-consuming tasks. Harness automation software for scheduling, data entry, or customer interaction. This shift enables focus on higher-impact activities, the ones that grow your business and foster valuable connections. Enjoy increased efficiency, freeing you to pursue more ambitious income goals. Staying informed and skilled is vital in a fast-paced digital landscape. AI can be your learning partner, pointing to trends, courses, and AI-generated insights that enrich your understanding of evolving markets. Embrace this continuous growth mindset by integrating AI-driven learning into your personal development plan. No adventure is without hurdles. Some may doubt their ability to adapt or trust AI, but remember, every tool has a learning curve. Overcome skepticism by starting with simple applications, building gradually as confidence grows. Your perseverance unlocks new levels of success in the AI-enhanced freelance world. The future is in your hands. Use AI to carve an innovative path to financial independence and personal development. Let each success story inspire you to push boundaries and redefine possibilities. Subscribe to Financial Table for more valuable content, tips, and strategies. We'll guide you through the ever-evolving landscape of online freelancing. See you in the next video.